Villagers have paid their house taxes, and the second year they have already started paying the taxes. So please don't misguide the people. Also, MLA has said they have increased 900% taxes. We haven't done. कोणाचे 900% भेटल्याने दाखवचे.
First starting.
Also, no MLA, you should have done a study. For the area we have done.
No, that is what I am saying.
Yes, for the area we can calculate
first. You should have told them first. Suddenly you are increasing so much.
No, we have mentioned in the Gram Sabha. We have put up
That is the wrong point. Separate old houses.
So now what we do is, we wait for the circular. Circular was another 4 years.
MLA has put in the assembly.
Circular
Wait for the government notification.
And market manager have discussed with
Madam, since you all have made the forms to be written compulsorily and then we take the area what you are asking, what I am saying is my house is an old house and you are making us forcefully write the area. आगे जो एक ₹100 घेता रे, तर त्याचे 10% कम देऊ साहेब. When I am writing my head of the house to
how your house is right on the form.
yeah, but now you are saying it is the rate, individual rate or like
There is different rate. The list has been put up in the panchayat. You can refer to it.
I've already have the form with me. So what I'm
Not the
saying,
form, the rate is put up in the
yeah,
panchayat.
but
You
then
can go through it.
it is said that
Clarification, you can come for your
yeah, but then it is said that the new rate is for the new houses built, which is
I have said new circular which is come has said now 100 rupees are required pay kotala taxes, yeah, old houses. They have constructed first floor, second floor, area widening. So how tax on that or the area we have calculated 15 rupees per square feet. Okay?
so the old houses will be paying same 100
As
rupees
per second question is kindly provide details to the Gram Sabha members, names of all the VDC members in this current year. If any VDC members is inactive or not attending, is he or her replaced by a new member? See, all VDC members are active, and there is no such guidelines that we can replace. We have to replace or appoint a new member.
so how many total are there?
ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. But it's a general alphabet. You can take the list.
How many VDC members and all are active? So my question in that only is like how many times meeting was held for this VDC? Because
Meetings,
it is
meetings are taken every end of November, December and January.
end
End
of,
of November, December and Jan.
so it is 3 times.
Because
Okay, so my question last time was like about the drainage system, and every time you told me that VDC members are not available, it is not possible.
I don't know that it's not possible for them, but no one shows their attendance.
Yeah,
Attendance is not
so
shown.
now for this August,
Except a few of them.
yeah, so now this August you are putting a this proposal and electing new ones because these members are not attending.
Yeah, you can propose your developmental anything is there. you
Because
can propose.
as you said in the earlier meetings that you all will be electing new
New committee is elected after 5 years.
No, what I'm saying, last time meeting you told that they are not attending. That's the reason the drainage systems master plan is not ready. This is what you had said to me last time. And only when they will attend, the master plan will be done. So what I'm saying is, now they are not attending, we will be electing somebody else.
No, we cannot elect somebody else. There is
So
no
that
such
means-
guidelines to elect somebody
That
else.
means the master plan will never happen.
It will happen, but it will take time. It's not that it will not happen.
Till the master plan is not made, all the drain, illegal drain should stop. Our money is wasted in drain.
In
Go to Green Valley and
into
see.
consideration the electricity,
easy way to make money.
Yeah,
All
take into consideration.
They're making
They
drain.
are the owner of the property.
The maximum.
Now, listen, when we take up these drains, the construction of drains, slabs and all, what we do is, what is existing that we take. We don't dig new construction drains and do the work.
Yeah, but then you had promised me continuously last many meetings that
Yeah.
you all will be seeing that it will be done. So now since you are saying that they are not attending, they are not
So we
coming.
need to call the meeting now in the end of, which is end of November, and we'll
So in August there won't be any shuffling or changing of the VDC
we won't be able to change it.
because you are saying they are not attending.
They are not attending, so I cannot tell why they are not attending. We call up the meeting, your VDC members has to be present now. Maybe 7 or 8 members, now punch members and few 2 or 3 other members.
So what I'm saying is from 34, only 7 of them are coming.
It's there, you can check it out. Kindly provide dates of garbage committee meetings held, total how many members are there and how many meetings were held and when. Meetings dated 24/1/23 and 2 meetings were held and 21/2/23. For this also, I think only 2 meetings were held and only 2 members were present.
Because maximum amount is going for this garbage and the
Yeah, even MLA is a member of the garbage management.
because based on this garbage only you are going on giving new permission for the new buildings. So this actually has to be tackled properly. The two things that which is the garbage management and the master plan.
Take another meeting now. Sixth is provide details.
Who's the chairperson of the waste management committee? Chairperson.
The village.
Village waste management committee. Who's the chairperson?
Which committee?
Waste management.
Waste management. तू जोड बघायला नाही
Madam, you are the chairperson for the VDC, correct? So who is the chairperson for the waste management? That's my answer question.
आता एमएलए झालेलो आम्ही कमिटीचे राहणार म्हाका तुम्ही त्यांना 21 पासून इन्फॉर्म करू 21 पासून म्हाका इन्फॉर्म करू ना कमिटी राहणार आता ऐकलं आहे
I'm not the chair. Dominic was the chair.
Madam, Dominic was the chairperson when he was a deputy sarpanch, that is his designation.
Yeah.
Now the deputy sarpanch should have been him. So why can he not be appointed?
When he is appointed?
Please come to the secretary, don't just point out.
Just as long as it doesn't say deputy on that. What's your name of friend?
Also, MLA, I have given you every Gram Sabha, we give you a notice, but you never had time to come. Today you came. Sixth point of Derima is provide details of development projects and beautification projects taken up by the Santa Cruz Village Panchayat for the benefit of Santa Cruz villagers. Development was taken in 15 finances, providing and fixing RCC covers to open drainage 100 numbers in ward number 6, Orlembad, in 15 finance. Construction of drain from Martha House to Mahima Supermarket in ward number 3, Rauloban, that is Dominic's ward, Punch member Dominic.
My drain is kept half. My drain is kept
How much
half.
was taken? How much was taken? You had taken, we have done.
होती ट्रेन बांधल्या आणि कनेक्ट करून पुन्हा ट्रेन
Connect with new resolution you have taken. Resolution is because you had taken.
You have stopped that. You try to stop my work.
I didn't stop your work. Now you have taken it.
You came to stop my work. You came to stop my work. You did have got to stop my work. I did my work. I broke that whole. He came to stop my work.
I didn't stop the work. I have taken village Panchayat 15 finance. But 15 finance funds were not sufficient, so we have taken a resolution to take it in the village Panchayat funds. Laying of pavers from Clancy House to drainage cover slabs from Shah Building to Jacob Bakery and from Agostino House to Vinod Naik in ward number 2, Mafira. Laying of pavers from Clancy House to Barreto House in ward number 11. Village Panchayat funds. Construction of footpath near Sateri Temple in ward number 5, 15 finance. Construction of drainage with RCC slabs cover from Vinod House to Bernardine House in ward number 2, Village Panchayat funds. Cover the drainage with RCC slabs from Big Cross to Nazareth House in ward number 2, Village Panchayat funds. Provide RCC slabs to cover open drain in ward number 6, Village Panchayat funds. Construction of drainage with RCC slabs from Bethany Convent to Sarofe in ward number 7. Interlocking tiles and drainage from Premanand Vaikankar House to Loku Vaikankar House in ward number 10, 15 finance. Construction of retaining wall at Martin Lane 4 from Yvonne Fernandez to Margaret House in ward number 3. This is Dominic's ward. Village Panchayat funds. Resolution taken. Now the works that will be taken up are construction of drain from Amabel House to football ground at Segun Bairo in ward number 1. Second is beautification of open space behind Blessed Sacrament at Rego Bagh in ward number 7 of Village Panchayat Santa Cruz. Next is beautification of open space near Louis Garage in Port Real in ward number 6. And the other one is beautification of open space opposite PK John at Alto Santa Cruz in ward number 7. Providing and fixing short blast pavers in front of Holy Cross near Shantanu House in ward number 5. Providing and fixing short blast pavers behind temple and in front of Ganesh Pereira house in ward number 5. Construction of drain and cross drain and providing and fixing pavers near the house of Daniel in ward number 1. Construction of drain from Vitorino Fernandez house to culvert and in front of Raghu house in ward number 4. Construction of steps and providing and fixing tiles from Amit house to Pritham house in ward number 5. Providing and fixing of short blast pavers at various places in ward number 4. Installation of pavers from Hanif Muzawar house to Josephine house at Ubolado, Santa Cruz in ward number 10.
See, madam, in Ubolado there is one retaining wall being constructed under whose finances going on?
Where is this?
In Ubolado, Walu's apartments, there is some retaining wall being constructed under
Who is
which?
doing it?
Madam, you have just went on telling like most of the places pavers and the drainage whatever. One thing is like even that beautification it is only in Alto. Are there no other places where
The
the
each
other
ward
villages?
members they have proposed. Each ward member proposes in their each ward, each of their wards. So accordingly I have taken.
Okay, because there are many other villages also who wants like
I will tell other punch members. I will tell other punch members also to propose.
okay, now like see, from this Santa Cruz market till like maybe the Al Santa Cruz, there is no proper footpath to walk, and this is actually the necessity because the road is there and the normal people cannot, locals cannot walk properly that side. So it is not only the people who are having
So
traffic.
you can propose, no, then we can forward it to PWD, let them take the decision. You have to see the road and everything, and you have to take into consideration if it's going for road widening and all that has to be considered.
Okay.
माझे नाव हुसेन gonzalez फ्रॉम कागसा. म्हाका माझे फोन नंबर आले तेन्ना 100 रुपया टॅक्स फारीक करतालो. 2008 हांवें म्हणलें दुसरें मारलें तेन्ना म्हाका 500 रुपया टॅक्स भरलेलो. टॅक्स तेन्ना सावन हांव आयज पासून 500 रुपया टॅक्स भरता. फाटल्या विकान हांवें टॅक्स म्हाजो फारीक केला. तेजेर 15% म्हाका एड करून हांवें टॅक्स फारीक केला. 15% कित्याक 10% म्हाका
10% wrong now. They 15 rupees per square meter charge केला. Not 15%. 15 rupees per square meter. Slab अलग है. आम्ही revise त्यांना 2024 आणि सना में revise केला. Okay. If you have anything, you can come to the panchayat. कोणाक कितें आहा जाल्यार पंचायतीन येवन आमच्या इचाचे secretary is there in the panchayat. Okay.
बरें काम करता पूण ताका हातून विचारूंक सोदता. फाटीक पंचायतीचेर केशी घाल्लेल्यो लॅक्स रुपीजांनी काडल्या म्हणून ते केस
This is not the agenda of the. This is not in the agenda.
Information center कोण लायलाय?
आणि मराठाचे सेल्फ चेक आलेली गार्बेज लागत त्याचा स्टेटस किती हा? I'm the chair. See, go to hell way. Dominic Sarkar, go to hell. I asked the status. I asked the status of the self check of Maratha ex-Sarpanch. Please tell I'm the chair. I'm asking him. I'm the chair.
You are the chair for yourself. I don't care.
See, Gram Sabha is over. Thank you all the Gram Sabha members. Propose and seconded. Propose.
I want to ask about the cows. 50,000 are there in the market. Huh?